Hey guys, Eric Sargent, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana, and you are looking at the Kut Snake Fender Flairs on a 200 series Land Cruiser. The Fender Flairs this particular one, we've modified it. We've actually shaved off the cap here because it has a Rhino Evolution front bumper on it. We've filled that in. They come in PVC. They do require a little bit of heat to actually mold on and fit on the car. The lag bolts that are included are kind of junk. We change those out, and we use nut certs behind the actual behind the fender flare, so that they are fully removable in the event that one got scratched and needed to be repainted, or the vehicle is in a collision. So they are installed properly. The bolts are stainless steel, and we Cerakoted them in black to kind of match the blackout of the actual vehicle itself. Back here in the rear, I'll open the rear door so you can kind of see how they attached. And just following the actual door line right here, you can see that the flare actually drops down. Let's just measure it here. About another little bit over 2 inches. And then these fender flares add an offset of about 1 3/4 inches as far as the negative offset for your wheel. They do add a nice, bold, and aggressive look to the vehicle. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Eric Sargent, Ed Martin Toyota, 317-385-9572.